Hi guys, my name is Lepilin. I am student of the College of Police. I want to tell you about the Kalashnikov. Assault rifle, one of the most popular small arms in the world.
It was created by Mikhail Kalashnikov in 1947. In 1949, the assault rifle was adopted by the Soviet Army. Nowadays, automatic Kalashnikov are in service with 50 armies of the world and are considered a model of reliability. Now, I will demonstrate the incomplete disassembly and assembly of the automatic Kalashnikov. The order of incomplete disassembly of the assault rifle. Separate the store. After we check with the cartridge in the chamber. Remove the accessories pencil case from the bed socket. Separate the ramrod. Separate the muzzle brake compensator from the machine. Separate the return mechanism. Separate the shooter frame with the shooter. Separate the shooter from the shooter frame. Separate the gas tube with the receiver cover. Attach the gas tube with the receiver cover. Attach the shooter to the shot frame. Attach the bolt carrier with the bolt to the receiver. Attach the return mechanism. Attach the receiver cover. Pull the trigger from the combat platoon and put on the safety. Attach the ramrod. Insert the pencil case into the bed socket. Attach the store to the vending machine. Also, military personnel adopt standards for incomplete disassembly of the AK incomplete disassembly. 13 great, 14 good, 70 satisfactory. Assembly after incomplete disassembly. 23 great, 25 good, 30 satisfactory.
I hope the given information was useful for you. If so, push the like and sign up to our channel. Thank you all for your attention.